Hey everybody, it's Nick Lydorf. Just want to share an article with you to kind of get across the point of just creating documents isn't really kind of the important thing with estate planning. You kind of want to look at everything, and when I mean everything, I say you want to look at all of your assets and find out exactly how things are titled. And because the best documents that you can create, like this guy, I mean he's probably a really good lawyer. And this is what he's talking about in this article is how you need to look at assets and know how they're titled, because the documents aren't going to matter if you have something that's titled that kind of subverts the whole plan. So your estate planning, here's kind of what he talks about. Your estate planning attorney recommends a revocable living trust to avoid probate. Yep, that's a great idea. Provide for management of your assets in case of your incapacity. So you set up the trust, they tell you to retitle the assets, but then the problem is the clients don't do it. And when they die, then all those things need to go through probate. And that's the big problem. That's what you want to avoid. So it's really important that you have somebody that you're working with that will make sure that you get this done. A lot of attorneys don't retitle assets and stuff for you unless you pay them. It's really easy to do that, and I show my clients exactly what to do. And then I also, because I know that I can procrastinate sometimes, and I know it's easy, I follow up with everybody to make sure that they've retitled everything and done that appropriately. This second kind of scenario kind of shows you how important joint beneficiaries can be, and how you title things with a bank. So will provides that your assets be split equally among your three kids. You have separate bank accounts, and you decide to list your oldest child on some of the accounts for convenience. And the bank asks you if you'd like your oldest child to be a joint owner, and you say yes. So what you did there is what he points out. This handsome gentleman has more hair than I did. Probably wasn't a litigator for 12 years. What he says here, which is really important, you have several bank accounts. You just unwittingly compromise the terms of your will. When property is owned jointly, the property passes directly to the other owner upon death and bypasses the terms of your will. While you thought you were going to leave that property equally to the three kids, what you did is you left it to the oldest child because you made them a joint owner of that bank account. So I just want to share that with you. And